Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to lock your Venmo card. First, open the Venmo app on your phone. Next, tap on the Cards tab. Here, select the Venmo card you want to lock. Once you're on the card screen, you'll see your balance and card details. Look for the option that says Temporarily Disable Card. Simply toggle the switch on. When your card is disabled, all future payments will be declined. So, it's a great option if your card is lost, stolen, or you just want to prevent unauthorized use. Anytime you need to use your card again, you can return to this same menu and toggle the switch off to reactivate it. And that's it. That's how to lock your Venmo card. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.